Ever wondered why we sneeze? It's not just annoying, it's your body's way of defending itself. When dust, pollen, or even a virus enters your nose, tiny nerves send a signal to your brain. Your brain goes, "Emergency! Get it out!" And boom! You sneeze. The air explodes out of your nose and mouth at over 100 miles per hour. But here's a twist. What if you couldn't sneeze? Germs would stay trapped inside. You'd get sick more often, and your nose would feel like a traffic jam. So, next time you sneeze, don't curse it. Thank your body's natural defense system.